95% of people can't solve this, can you? Today's question is, 9 minus 5 minus 1 plus 6 times 2. Most people solve it like this. They say 5 minus 1 is 4, then 9 minus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 equals 11, and finally 11 times 2 equals 22. But this answer is completely wrong because they don't follow the order of operations, which is also known as PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. Before we reveal the correct answer, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. In this expression, we have subtraction, parentheses, addition, and multiplication. Based on the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses, so 5 minus 1 equals 4. After parentheses, it's time for exponents, which we don't have in this expression, so we move on to multiplication. 6 times 2 equals 12, and the expression changes to 9 minus 4 plus 12. Now, it's time for addition and subtraction, which we must solve from left to right. So, 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 5 plus 12 equals 17. Our final and correct answer is 17. Now it's your turn. Leave your answer to this question in the comments so we can see how many people get it right. If you enjoy this kind of math challenge, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, goodbye, and see you in the next video.